Hello, this is Abigail of Ground and Grow Yoga, and today I have a short breathing sequence for you to help when you're stressed out, when you're irritated, when you are just having a hard day and you find yourself getting worked up. So this sequence is going to help you ground down and really connect with your breath, and just feel better about what's going on. So when we're stressed or irritated, it changes our breathing pattern. And so we're breathing very shallowly, or we are having trouble um, breathing in the correct motions. And so oftentimes all we need to do is connect back to that breath and what we should be doing with our breath. So we could be breathing kind of like hyperventilating, where we're going so it's very short staccato breaths, and we're kind of sucking in when we are breathing in, and letting the belly go out when we're breathing out, which is actually the opposite of what should be happening, or we're holding our breath. I know oftentimes when I'm stressed out, I'm barely breathing at all. Obviously, I'm breathing, but I need to consciously expand that breath so that I'm getting more oxygen. So a couple of things you can do when you are stressed out. I find it very hard to get my breathing back under control unless I have a plan for getting it back under control. So the first thing that you can do is just take a deep inhale in and then exhale out through the mouth. So in through the nose and out through the mouth. Also, if you're somewhere where you're not going to be feeling embarrassed about yourself, you can also breathe in through the nose and then lion's breath out. So you're opening your mouth, you're letting your tongue hang out. Also, your eyes look up towards the third eye, so your forehead, so kind of in and up. So you're breathing in through your nose and then okay, so this is a quick way to get the oxygen in and then just let go of all that negativity, all the stress right away. So you're breathing in and then exhale. Once you've done this a couple times and you feel like you're not back to neutral, but you feel like you're in a better place, then you can start expanding the breath, which is what you really need, but it's hard to do. It's hard to go from to just these long inhales and exhales. So going to is an easier way to get yourself moving from one to the other. But once you feel like you're in a good place to start actually expanding the inhales and exhales, you're going to breathe in and out your nose. So you're going to breathe in for 3 and out for 3. In for 3 and out for 3. In for 3 and out for 3. It can also help to close your eyes while you're doing this. But again, if you're somewhere that you feel like this is not the place to be doing this, you can definitely keep your eyes open. But if you are in your own space, you can close your eyes and breathe in for 3 and out. As you begin to feel yourself calm down, you should try to increase your breathing. So instead of breathing in for 3, increase it to 4 and then later to 5. And when you increase the inhale, also increase the exhale. So I'm going to do this with you guys a few times to get you into the rhythm, but then find your own ratio that works for you. So breathe in and out. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Now 5. Finding what feels good for you, continue to breathe. And as you continue to breathe, make sure that your belly is expanding as you inhale, and you're drawing your navel in as you exhale. The rest of your body should be nice and relaxed. You should be holding no tension in your shoulders or your jaw. You should make sure that you are feeling comfortable as you continue to breathe in and out. In and out. In and out. So I hope that this helped you. If you are still wanting to explore breath more, definitely check out some of my other videos on specific breathing techniques. But this is just a combination of a couple different breathing techniques to help you really get grounded down and feeling better, so that you can feel less stressed and go on with your day. So just as you go out into the world, continue to ground into your strength and just grow as a person. Namaste.